After making over 1,000 pieces of content in the last 2 years, I realized that growing on YouTube is a lot like fitness. Yes, I'm not crazy, so let me explain. You can be consistent, you can be your best effort, and still feels like nothing is happening. So today, I want to help you see through the invisible growth phase, that quiet and frustrating stretch of time when you're improving behind the scenes but can't see the results yet. And if you're a small creator who's been posting for months or years and wondering, why isn't this working for me? This is for you. Like training your body, growth doesn't always show in the mirror. Some days you feel stronger, other days you feel like you're stuck. But what's really happening, whether it's your body or your channel, is that you're building endurance, skills, and confidence. You just can't see it yet. So, you are doing everything right, but your channel still feels stuck. This is one of the hardest moments for any creator. You're uploading, improving, learning, experimenting, but your views barely move. You start wondering if you're wasting your time. You start doubting if people even care. But growth doesn't always show in the numbers first. You might be getting 50 views today, but maybe 10 of those people watched to the end. That's your audience forming. You're not stuck, you're just in the part of the process where the algorithm is still learning who you are and who you're for. So keep posting because each upload helps you figure out that faster. And pay attention to this, the biggest reasons creators quit isn't lack of talent, it's just comparison. You scroll through YouTube and see someone with 100k subscribers posting content similar to yours and you think they blew up in 6 months. Why can't I? But what you don't see are the 2 years of failed uploads before that. Don't compare timelines, compare effort. Everyone's algorithm journey is different. Focus on improving one thing in every video. Your hook, your pacing, your editing, storytelling, and that's how you build a version of success. And remember this, sometimes not posting for a bit is exactly what helps you grow faster. When your numbers don't move, the first instinct is to post more, push harder, stay up late editing. But that's how burnout sneaks in. You start forcing content that doesn't feel like you anymore. Real growth happens in reflection. Look back at your last 10 videos, what worked and what didn't. Every pause is an opportunity to realign your creativity. Growth doesn't mean never rest. It means learning when to recover so you can return stronger. And here I will give you 3 tips to survive that invisible phase until your channel starts growing. Track your effort, not numbers. Instead of obsessing over views, track what you did right. How many uploads this month? How many improved thumbnails? That's your real metric of growth. Creating seasons. Treat each month like a creative training block. Pick one focus, maybe storytelling, maybe editing, and make that your improvement goal. It keeps you consistent without burning out. Build a small support cycle. Find 2 or 3 creators on your level and stay in touch. Talk about what's working, what's not, and celebrate small wins together. It keeps your motivation alive during the quiet month. And remember, you are not behind, you're just in your invisible growth phase, the part every creator goes through before things finally click. Keep showing up, keep learning, because one day the progress that felt invisible will be undeniable. And if you want to know the 3 hacks that will help you grow online, make sure you watch this video here. Thanks for watching.